I've been getting emails from people saying, you know what, Jim, you got to back away from apparel stocks. Cotton is through the roof. The Chinese are taking our cotton. That's going to mean that next quarter is going to be worse. I say that certain companies like Chip Bergh, that you know how to source, and that you're not going to sit there and just take it lying down and say, okay, I got to take a beating in cotton. Am my characterization too bullish?
You're absolutely right. I mean, and I would say it's a supply chain in total comment. I mean, we have a very, very distributed supply chain. We operate in more than 24 countries. No single country represents more than 20% of our volume. We also cross-source about half of our volume, which means we can make the same product in multiple sources in different countries, giving us real agility to be able to shift markets real quickly. So, for example, when the tariffs went into place in China, at that point in time, we were importing about 8% of our product here to the U.S. was coming from China. Today, it's less than 1%. Vietnam's been in the news because of all the factories that are shut down in Vietnam and the impact that that's had on other apparel players. It's less than 4% of our volume today. So we've been able to pivot very, very quickly. Our scale clearly also really helps, and very few have the kind of scale that we do. And then on cotton specifically, we don't buy cotton. We buy finished product from mills, and we negotiate with them in advance. So our pricing is locked in through the first half of next year already. So our cost of goods are already locked in for the first half of next year, and we're in the midst of negotiating for the second half. And I'm bullish that we're going to be able to land that, as we said in our call, kind of in the mid-single digits from an inflation standpoint. Turns out to be a little bit higher than that. We may need to take some more pricing, and we're confident we're going to be able to do that.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.